Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to integrate QR code scanner in your website. Several JavaScript libraries allow QR scanning via the browser. Popular options include HTML5 QR code, which is lightweight and easy to implement, instascan.js, and zxing.js. For this tutorial, we'll be using the HTML5 QR code. Add the library via CDN in the head or before the closing body tag using this command. Now to add a container for the scanner, insert a div in your HTML where the camera feed will appear. Now to initialize the QR code scanner in JavaScript, add a script to set up the scanner. And FPS, which is frames per second for scanning, and QR box defines the size of the scanning box. Just open your website on a device with a camera and point the camera at a QR code. The scanner should detect the QR code and trigger the on-scan access function. You can replace the alert with custom actions like redirecting to a URL, displaying the scanned content on the page, or triggering an API call. Just a tip, always request camera permission securely via HTTPS for browsers to access the device camera. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.